Example 1 has an ax squared, and a cy squared, a being 1 and c being 5. So they're not the same. And when we multiply them together, we get a positive value. So this conic must be a hyperbola. So in order to graph this hyperbola, the first thing we need to do is put it in hyperbola form. So we're going to rewrite this as x squared minus 5y squared equals 25. And then we're going to divide by 25 so that we get 1. So we have x squared over 25 minus y squared over 5, and that equals 1. So in this particular instance, our a equals 5, and our b equals the square root of 5, and we know it's a parabola, and we know that it's centered at the origin, so the center of our parabola is at the origin, and we know that because the a value is under the x, that it's going to open horizontally, so we need to go 5 to the right, and we need to go 5 to the left, and that's going to be our vertices. And then the easiest thing to do here is to recognize that we're going to go up 2.2. So we'll go up 2.2 from our vertice and down 2.2 from our vertice. And the same thing over on the other side. And that creates our asymptotic lines. And from that, we can create our hyperbola. Very great hyperbola, but you get the idea. All right. Moving on to the next example, we see that we have our a term is 1 and our b term is also 1. So this, and they're both positive, so this must be a circle. So let's go ahead and complete the square. And we see that it's x squared minus 8x. And then from that we have plus, and we're going to leave that blank. We take our b term, which is 8, cut it in half and make it 4, and square it, and we get 16. And then that's plus the y squared plus 10y. And we have our blank here, and 10 cut in half is 5, square it is 25. And I'm going to move the equals over on the other side since I'm out of room because of my graph. Equals the negative 41, but we added 16 on this side, so we have to add 16 on this side. We added 25 on this side, so we have to add 25 on the other side. And when we add those together, we get 0. So 0 equals x minus 4 quantity squared plus y plus 5 quantity squared. Now, this is a circle, as we said before. However, the radius is 0. So instead of truly being a circle, it's just a point. And the point is at 4, negative 5. So to graph this, you literally go over 4, down 5, and plot your point.